ba yun? Excited na kayo makita siya? Wow, excited na rin siya mag-perform para sa inyong lahat. Pero bago ang lahat, may isa pa akong song para sa inyo. So kung gusto nyo sumayaw, pwede rin. Ayan yung mga nasa likod, kung gusto nyo tumayaw, pwede naman. Okay? Sabay-sabay tayo.
Gloomy day. My hair is ugly and it looks like hay. I feel so lousy I could fade away, but it's okay, because love has come my way. My page doesn't fit to my display, and all I wanna do is sing and play. I'm super lazy, need some brewed cafe, but it's okay, because love has come my way.